Hello dear students, how are you? This is our first lesson for this year. It is about integers, powers, and roots. Lesson 1.1, arithmetic with integers, page 8. Sorry for being so a little bit late with uploading the videos, but from now on I shall upload what is necessary for math videos. So objective, first we define the subject, we make some examples, and we go to exercise 1.1 on page 9. Definition, this is the line numbers. As you know before, I think, it is the numbers, 0 is in the middle, exactly in the middle. This is the 0 and 0. From this side is the positive numbers going in this direction, and from this side are the negative numbers going in this direction. Okay, so if I have a 7 plus, that means I start always from 0, I go 7 steps to the right. 7, but when I go, then this is 7, and then when I go minus 12 to the left, that means I go from where I ended last time, I go 12 steps backwards in the negative direction. Okay, the answer will be minus 5. This area here, from here to here and here to here, one eliminate the others. I'm left up only with this distance here, which is minus 5. How can I express this in a mathematical way? This is plus 7 minus 12 equal minus 5. This is how we express this in a mathematical expression. There is a very method or a theory which you can use also here without the line of numbers to know the result, is that I call it the lazy student methodology. But anyway, which you ask yourself, of course this method never works only when you have two different signs. Don't forget, only when there are two different signs you can apply this method, otherwise you have to understand. So which one is the big, you ask yourself, which one is the bigger number? 12. So you put the sign of the biggest number here, which is that one, and then you say always, of course, always 12 minus 7. So 12 minus 7 give me 5. This is one of the ways you can find the result for such mathematical problems very easily. But of course, if you like to understand it on the line of numbers, it is like that. Going 7 steps in the direction of positive, going backward in the direction of negative. So this distance, one cancel the other, and I'm left up with minus 5. Now example page 19. Before we go to the examples, I want you to know these symbols, please. I want you to learn these symbols just like your names. Minus times plus is minus, plus times minus is minus, and plus divided by minus is minus, and minus divided by minus is plus, and minus multiplied by minus is plus. They are the same. Multiplication and division, they are the same. But you have to learn that when you have two equal signs, it gives you always positive. When you have two equal signs, it gives you always positive. When you have two different signs, it gives you always negative result. Okay? So now example page 8 and 9. We have these examples here. As you see, plus 3 going in the positive direction, and then going back minus 7. This will give you plus 3 and minus 7 minus 4. Here, no. Here you have minus minus. Both of the numbers, both of the steps are in one direction. So nobody cancel the other. You have to add them. 8 plus 5, 13. And you give the sign of the direction. They are in the negative direction. Also when they are positive, positive 5, positive 8 equal positive 13, because both numbers are in the same direction. There is no number that cancel the other. They are both supportive to each other. So 5 plus 8 give me 13. Minus 3, only in this situation here, when you see two signs between two numbers, that means that this sign is multiplied by this sign. This is sign minus times minus is plus. So minus 3 plus 9 is plus 6. This is also minus 3 plus 9 plus minus is minus 2. Okay, and then it is minus 3 plus 9 is plus 6. Minus 2 plus 4. And then we come to the story of multiplication and division. We see that minus 8 multiplied by minus 5. You multiply, you see the multiply sign here. If I take the multiply sign away, then you have a situation just like that one. We speak about directions. But if you see a multiplication, no, you have to multiply the signs first. Minus times minus give you plus, and then 8 times 5 give you 40. And here also minus divided by plus give you minus. 20 divided by 4 give us 5. 20 divided by 4 give us 5. This is repeated. And 12 times minus 3. Plus times minus is minus. 12 times 3 equals 36. I don't believe that this was very hard for you. I know you have done this slightly in the past, also the same. But if you have any question concerning this matter, please ask me, because these lessons, these classes is very important. That's why I'm going really quite slowly with the subject, especially chapter 1, because this chapter is the basics, the basics of the basics that you need in all of the classes, all of the mathematics classes which you will attend in the future. Okay, now again, this is this, I call it the sine rule. These are the sine rule. They are very important. When you multiply equal signs, they give you positive. When they multiply different signs, they give you a negative. And here we have also another examples, 2 examples showing the directions here. So it is plus 3 going in this direction, and minus 7 going in this direction. Minus 7 going in the negative direction, and plus 3 going in the positive direction. So plus 3 minus 7 give you minus 4. This one, no, they are both of them going in the same direction. That means nobody cancel the other. Both of them are supportive to each other, but in the negative direction. So I take the sign of the numbers, which is negative, and I add them. 3 plus 7 equals 10. Here, multiplication story. Plus times minus, minus 3 times 7, 21. Exactly for this one, and I think the others also multiplications and division. Okay, when you have multiplications and division, they are in the same story. So you multiply 3 times minus 7, plus the times minus is minus 21, and here plus divided by minus minus. I told you multiplication and division are the same. Multiplication and division are the same. Only when you see 2 signs between 2 numbers, then minus times minus is plus. So it is minus 3 plus 7, it is plus 4. Here also minus times minus is plus, so minus 3 plus 7 is plus 4. Minus 3 in the negative direction, and going backward 7 steps in the positive direction, okay, which give you plus 4. Exercise 1.1. These are also 4 examples. 5 from exercise 1.1, page 9. As you see here, negative times negative is plus, so 7 plus 2 equals 9. Okay, and here 12 minus times minus is 4, so it is plus. 12 plus 4 is 16, and here minus 5 plus 3, minus 5 plus 3, because minus times minus, okay, minus 5 plus 3 is minus 2, and here minus 6 minus minus positive 6, so it is minus 6 plus 6 equals 0, because you go in the negative direction like 6 steps, and you are going back also in the positive direction 6 steps. That means that you have never went nowhere, because one eliminate or cancel the other, so you have the result 0. This is another example, 6. We talked about this one. It is addition, so that means minus 3 plus 5 is plus 2, and you put it here, okay, and so on. Also for this one, 3 minus 5 is minus 2, and minus 5 plus 1 is minus 4. Minus 2 and minus 4 give me minus 6. Exactly complete the others if you can also, okay. Here is minus 3 plus, I don't know how much, give me the result of 2. So minus 3, I showed you the minus 3 plus x. When we don't know a number, we put x. X represent for us, we don't know what is this number here, 5. So then I have to find the value of the variable here, so I put minus 3 plus 3 equal 2 plus 3. So I eliminate minus 3 and plus 3, which gives me the x alone and 5. That's why I know here this is number 5. Now, how can I do this one here? The same. You have 2, 3, and here is missing. 2 plus x, I don't know how much, equal 3. Try to find this number here exactly the same way that I've done it in this steps here, and so on. And then we have this number 7. It's the second number. This minus is for all these numbers. So it is minus times minus 4 is plus 4. Minus times minus 2 is plus 2. Minus 0 have no effect. Minus by 2 is minus 2, and minus 4. What you do here, you say 4, which is plus, minus minus 4 equal 8. Why? Because minus times minus is plus. So 4 plus 4 is 8. And the second one here, it is, I've written this in detail inside to see what's happening. This is the 4, and this is the minus, the red one here, and this is the second minus from the 2, and equal to 6. How? Because minus times minus is plus, so 4 plus 2 equal to 6, and so on. You can make the rest. This is a very nice exercise to teach you how to use these signs. Okay? Homework. I think I've given this homework for you before, and thank you very much for your attention.